Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to create a scroll bar and use it to navigate through your data like this. Before we start, make sure you click the subscribe button so you never miss any of our tutorials. Let's start. First, copy the headers of your data and paste it where you would like to create the scrollable data. Next, use this offset function in the top left cell of the scrollable data. Select the first cell of your original data as the reference. Select an empty cell as the rows parameter and make it an absolute reference by adding the dollar signs. Expand the selection to the two adjacent cells. Then expand to the 4 following rows. Go to the Developer tab. Click on Insert and select Scroll Bar. Place the scroll bar in a place of your choice. Right-click on the scroll bar and select Format Control and follow these steps. Maximum value is the total number of original data minus the scrollable rows, and cell link is the empty cell you previously chose in the offset formula. Now you have a scroll bar to navigate through your data. Thank you for watching.